Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my woods. So here we are in northern Michigan at my cabin and I have something new I want to show you. Recently, I was contacted by a company called Troozy Tools about their 6-inch cordless chainsaw. And timing couldn't have been more perfect because do you recall when I was up in the UP, Lake Superior there, and I forgot my wood and I was just finding all kinds of sticks for my fire, and oh my goodness, it was a disaster. I was wishing I had this thing because I've seen it several times and I was really thinking about getting it, and then they contacted me to ask me if I would do a review on this tool. And you know what I said? Heck yes, I will. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it's here, I wanna show it to you, I wanna show you everything that comes in the box, and then we're gonna get to cutting some wood and see how this thing works. I haven't even used it yet, so you're the first that's gonna see it. All right, let's check it out. So the little chainsaw, the little 6-inch Troozy mini chainsaw comes in this awesome little box, and it keeps everything contained, which I think is really, really cool. So let's check it out. All right, we've got a user manual. We've got gloves. That's awesome. We've got protective eyewear. Looks like a little oil bottle here. No oil, but just the bottle. So you got to provide your own oil, it looks like. We've got the charger. Let's see here. Okay, it's got two little charging ports, or barrel chargers, or whatever those are. You see them there? One there and one there. So you can charge the batteries simultaneously. I think that's fantastic. We have, of course, the chainsaw here. Let's move it aside for a minute. Little brush, probably to brush the debris away from the chainsaw blade there. And file to sharpen your little chainsaw blades. And the tool to tighten your chain and fix your blade, and a little screwdriver, most likely, to put this thing on here. Okay, we've got an extra chain here, it looks like. Yep, so that's awesome. I mean, that's really great. They provide an extra chain. This is tiny, obviously, because it's a tiny chainsaw, so it's not like standard. I don't know how easy it would be to get these, but I'm glad they provide one. And here we have the batteries. Let's see here. Let's turn it around. Here we go. Oh wow, fully charged here. So we've got 21 volt max, 3.0 amperage hours. I think that's what that means. It's a lithium ion battery. We've got two of these guys. So that's fantastic. Got two of these guys. Let's read the back of this. Cordless, brushless chainsaw. Brushless is cool because that means it has less friction, giving you more hours of chainsaw life. So that's really cool. All right, that's really, really cool. So let's check this thing out. Nice size. You see it gripped in my hand here. Looks like it has a safety on both sides. Here and here. All right, so we've got this little shield here. I wouldn't hold on to it. I think it's a protector of your hands if you're gonna use this chainsaw. I can't imagine, I mean, I don't know what else it would be for. It's just a protector so your hand doesn't go through onto the chain here. But it's on tight. I checked. It's screwed on there with the screw, but it's not the most sturdy piece of plastic here, but it's there, so it's got a purpose, I suppose. But anyhow, it feels nice in my hand. I think it feels fantastic. Let's put a battery on it and see how this works. Okay, so here we got the battery. This is what it looks like. Okay. It's on there nice. We've got a safety on this side. and a safety on this side, depending on what hand you are, I suppose. So I'm gonna turn this baby on and we're gonna see how it goes. Nice. You notice it stops immediately when I let go? I'm gonna show you up close if you can read what that blade says. Can you read that? Okay. So let's see how this thing works. Let's give it a try. So as I stated, I'm in my woods and I've got this long, broken down tree, skinny little tree guy. A little thicker at that end, obviously, than it is at this end. And we're just gonna do a little cutting and see how this thing goes. The thicker the tree gets as we get down that way. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna see how we go. Look at that. Let's measure. So this is 3 inches. You see that there? 3 inches, upside down, but 3 nonetheless. So that's awesome. Super simple, easy, went right through it. Well, what do you think? Not bad. That's awesome. $5 inches. You see that? 5 inches. Cut through it like nothing. Beautiful. I recommend this thing. It's fantastic. Got 4 there. We've got 5 there. I'm impressed. I'm totally impressed. Thank you, Troozy Tools. I give it 2 thumbs up, an A+, a cat's meow, thebomb.com, and everything in between. Definitely an awesome little tool. All right, everyone, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you, Clements, for helping. I appreciate it. And we'll catch you next time. All right, until then.